Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Back to the Lacrosse that everybody's been asking about on how to repair this thing. I posted a video on how to repair it, but keep in mind, to replace it, it'll probably be cheaper just to buy a new one. Because the way this thing is built in such a robust type way. And that sounds funny for me even saying about a GM vehicle or product. So I'm right now at a pull apart trying to demonstrate how you would actually replace one of these to make it work properly. Somebody obviously got here before me, of course. Everything in here is in disarray. So if you did want to replace this thing yourself, it is a lot of work, pretty time consuming. You have your best bet of removing the whole console, the whole thing, because as somebody discovered for me, there are 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the underside of this thing, but the rest of it unsnaps. As you can see, most of it's out. Also, to keep in mind when you're doing this, it works better when it's upside down. So if you were to take this thing out, yeah, somebody did that for us. It's this whole little box. So the advice I was given on how to fix it if it was off track was pretty darn accurate. But as you can see, it's a lot of work. And for a lot of people that follow my channel, I wouldn't advise them to do that themselves unless they got plenty of time on their hands. Because I don't want you to look at my channel and be like, well, he told me to do this. And, you know, you have an incident where you rip everything apart and you want somebody to blame other than yourself. So I guess what I'm saying is, if it's above your pay grade, don't do it yourself. Get a professional. If you think you can do it and you have time to do it yourself, do it. You can order majority of these parts on Amazon or eBay. And I'm pretty sure when eBay sends it, they're gonna send this whole little box that the cup holder sits in, and that's gonna be your best bet. But if you, like I said, if you still want to do it, you got a bunch of screws to deal with. Right here, I think it's a 7mm on either side. Back here, you have a little access panel right here. You pop that off to get that bolt out for that. So once you start taking out screws for this whole doggone thing, because you can see right there where the other screw goes, it's loose now. And then there's one on this side behind that little panel. But this vehicle doesn't have power, and I have no way to show you the actual panel itself. But like I said, if you really want to tackle this job yourself, I applaud you on doing it. But what I showed you was how to fix it in case it was stuck or slightly off track. But if you want to fix this thing yourself, if it breaks apart, you got to get a lot of stuff taken apart. And like I said, it's easier just to remove the whole console to do it, because it moves like that. And as you can see, there's really not a whole lot you could do to try to repair it yourself other than order the whole box. So if this helps somebody, continue to like, share, and subscribe. And don't shoot me, because I'm the one that's actually trying to help. But at the same time, if this was my vehicle, yeah, I understand. But continue to like, share, subscribe.